Hi guys, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's draw and color some of the ways we can feel. You will need a ruler, 2 crayons, 1 marker, a cup, and 1 piece of paper. Once you get everything, put everything on the side. And let's divide the paper in 6 boxes. Take the ruler, hold it down, open your marker from top to bottom, straight line. Hold your marker with 2 fingers, 1, 2. Let's count how many emotions we're going to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each box needs a face. We're going to make a face by using a cup. Put the cup in the middle and draw a circle around. Mommy and Daddy help hold the cup. Okay, let's count how many circles we drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's draw the first emotion. We can feel happy. Let's draw a happy face, 2 eyes, 1, 2 fingers on the pencil or marker, and a big smile. This is a happy face. Let's color it yellow. Color, 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 color your happy face. Color, 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 and then we stop. Let's see, what letter does happy start with? H. Good job. Let's write letter H. Big line, and little line. H for happy. What makes you happy? My dog makes me happy. Tell mommy or daddy what makes you happy. Let's draw the next face. How else can we feel? We can feel sad. Let's draw a sad face. 1 eye, 2 eyes. And now, a sad mouth. This is a sad face. Let's color it. Color, 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 color. Color your sad face. Color, 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 color. And then we stop. What letter does sad face start with? S. Letter S for sad. What makes you feel sad? I get sad when it's raining. Let's draw the next face. We can feel angry. Let's draw an angry face. 2 eyes are round. 1, 2. Then we have 2 eyebrows that face down, down, and an angry face up, down, up, down. This face looks angry. Let's color angry face with yellow crayon. 2 fingers. Sing the song with me. Color, 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 color. Color your angry face. Color, 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 color. And then we stop. What letter does angry start with? A. Line down, across. A for angry face. What makes you angry? I am angry when someone doesn't share with me. Let's draw another face. We also can feel surprised. Let's draw a surprised face. 2 eyes. 1, 2, and an open mouth. A shape of an oval. This is surprised. Let's make it yellow. Sing with me. Color, 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 color. Color your surprised face. Color, 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 color. And then we stop. What letter does surprise start with? S. Write letter S. S or surprised. What makes you surprised? I feel surprised when I see a birthday cake, like this one. Let's draw another face. We can feel silly. Let's draw a silly face. We have 2 eyes. 1, 2. 2 fingers on the marker. A big smile and a tongue. This looks like a silly face. Let's color it with yellow. Color, 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 color. Color your silly face. Color, 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 color. Color your silly face. Okay, now take red and color the tongue. Don't forget to hold the paper. 2 fingers on the pencil and color your tongue red. This is a silly face. What letter does silly start with? It starts with letter S. Can you write letter S? Letter S for silly. When do you feel silly? I feel silly when I see the baby. When do you feel silly? Tell mommy or daddy. Let's draw another face. We can feel excited. Let's draw excited face. We have 2 eyes. 1, 2. We have 2 eyebrows. And we have a mouth, smile, and straight line across. This is excited. Let's color excited face in yellow. Color, 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 color. Color your excited face. Color, 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 color. And then we stop. Good job coloring inside the circle. Let's take red and color the mouth. Color, 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 color. And then we stop. What letter does excited start with? Excited starts with letter E. Hold the paper, 2 fingers, start from the dot, big line down, little line across, little line across, little line across. Letter E for excited. When do you feel excited? I feel excited when I eat ice cream. Tell mommy or daddy, when do you feel excited? Let's review how we feel. We can feel happy. We can feel sad. Sometimes we feel angry. We can feel surprised. We feel silly. And sometimes we feel excited. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I hope you do well. Send me some pictures. Bye.